This is one of my favorite recipes, sous vide pork loin. In a large bowl, we're going to add 2 ounces of grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon Spiceology adobo, 1 tablespoon black magic, and 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Give it a thorough whisk to make sure all the ingredients are combined. Now place your pork loin in the bowl and coat every inch of it. I will be using a Ziploc bag and a water displacement method. Make sure you get all that marinade and oil into the bag with your pork loin. Make sure the seal is clean and dry. We have our sous vide water bath set to 59 degrees Celsius, which is just under medium. When you place your pork in the water, make sure the bag is open to push out all the air, then seal it. Now let it rock for the next hour and 30 minutes. I'm dumping out the bag into a Pyrex container to remove all the liquid. I have my pan preheated to high heat, and I'm going to sear it on all sides for 1 minute. Now let's slice it. Look at the beautiful crust it has. And you can see that it's cooked the same temperature all the way through. We've cooked the pork loin to about medium. The perfect companion to this juicy pork is my potato salad, and you can see the link in the upper right-hand corner.